Hello, this is my Module 15 reflection. My thoughts to gamification of education. I think it's a very fun way to engage your students and just help them have a fun time while they're also learning and having fun with their peers and groups and stuff like that. I think games can be used to teach, obviously, if you're meaning for it to be used as teaching rather than just a fun day or if you didn't create a lesson, so you're just going to have them play Jeopardy just for fun. But I feel like if you have categories like history, science, things that are actually beneficial to the education manner, I feel like it can be definitely used to teach. And I think it's a fun way to review and see where they're at. Whether you're playing like Rags to Riches, Jeopardy, anything like that, I think is just fun to do with your students every now and then, not every single day or something like that. I think it can also be good. Games can be used to, if you just post them on like Google Classroom or something, and they can do them on their own to review and see how they're doing or where they're at. The template that I used was on template.net, and I used a Jeopardy game. It was very user friendly. The only problems that I had was I had to add like answer slides because they didn't have those originally in them, and they also had 6 categories, but I only wanted to do just 4 because I was just doing. I don't know if we could get done with 6 of them in the class period, so I just used 4. Um, I feel like it was a good way to engage your students in a fun and competitive manner, not nasty competitive, but just fun for peers to be in groups and work together in order to come up with their answers. And if they don't get it, then it moves on to the next group. And I think it's just fun like that. And to see who the winner is and keeping track of their points and stuff is also really fun. I think it's a fun way to review if you have like a test coming up, and you can do this if you're using it in an education manner. And yes, I thought this was a very fun module, and I think all these things can be very beneficial in your future classroom.